first chai of the day. The good thing about this hotel is it's in a perfect location. There's a train station around here. The amazing menu they have here is just mind-blowing. Like they have palau, they have paratha, they have biryani, they have all sorts of stuff, and they keep changing the menu every day. And this morning I just ordered omelette, vegetable omelette with a spicy one, and these guys will prepare the omelette for fresh. So that's the good thing about this amazing hotel. The hotel is affordable, and you're just a few minute trains away from downtown Dubai or the Palm. So yeah, yesterday we were in the Palm, and it was amazing because we stayed here and we could really good in the Palm. And still travel from here to Sharjah. You know, it's just about 60 dirham or 70 dirham. So guys, from the breakfast place, that's how inside of the breakfast place look like. I'm just going to get breakfast in bed. Alright, so guys, let's continue this amazing day.